Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tatashi and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make oxtail. Yes, you heard me right, oxtail. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is add browning. And I'll be adding some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. And some paprika. And now I'm just going to rub that up. And rub it in good, because we're going to leave this to marinate about 25 to 30 minutes so the meat can get to soak up all the flavor. There's one seasoning I almost forgot to add, and it's called Special Jerk. This is what it looks like. It has pimento seeds, pepper, thyme, salt, all the seasonings that you can think of is in this. And with this you don't have to add pepper to it, especially if you have kids. You don't want it to over spicy, because you know kids and spice don't work well. So now that I've rubbed this in, I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Okay? So I'll be back. So after you've seared all your oxtails, you're going to get your pressure cooker or whatever cooker you have at home that can pressure meat, and you're going to put some water in it, add a little bit more all-purpose seasoning or whatever seasoning you have at home, and then you're going to let that boil before you add your oxtails in it. Now that is boiling, I am about to add our oxtails. So it has been 25 minutes since I pressured this oxtail, and now we reduce it down to a rather gravy substance. You don't need any cornstarch or any flour paste in your gravy. All you need to do is to just put it on medium heat and take the cover off the pot and let it boil down a little bit more so it can get to a thick gravy consistency.